Hello my dear health seekers, Inga from Health Origins here, and I think it's about time that I update my sunflower seed milk video and also add pumpkin seed milk to the list as well. So let's begin. So we're gonna start with the sunflower seed milk. That was quite a popular recipe on my channel, and I've just watched it, and the quality of the video is terrible. So I thought I really need to do an update with quicker cuts without the noise of the blender. So you need half a cup of sunflower seeds. And I did roasted sunflower seeds last time, but this time I'm just doing plain raw unroasted sunflower seeds. So that's half a cup. It goes into a blender, and we're gonna need about 3 cups and a quarter, which is about nearly 800 ml. It's like 775 ml. You know, I found that amount is quite good, so it's about a pint and a half. So I'm going to add water, and as an optional ingredient I'll put a pinch of salt, because I find it gives, you know, this something, it gives quite a good flavor, just a little pinch of salt. And then you can always add sweetener as well if you wanted to, but that's it. We're going to just blend it for about a couple of minutes. So 2 minutes of blending, and the beauty of this milk is that it's super quick. It basically takes about 3 minutes from start to finish to make yourself some fresh milk, and you don't need to worry about any kind of nut milk bags or draining, squeezing anything, because it just blends really well. You need either a powerful blender, or you need to blend it for a while longer, because it just pulverizes itself, and you don't need to any sediments. You don't need to actually sieve anything. So I'm gonna just do a little taste test here, and the rest I'm just see how creamy, how white, creamy and beautiful and quite thick it is. So if you like your milk a little bit thinner, you could, you know, put more water. You could probably put maybe a liter, but I quite like nice and creamy milk. So let me give this a taste test, and that only has that pinch of salt, as you've seen, water and sunflower seeds. Nice. And another good thing about this milk is it's 2 ways, so it's cheaper than the nut milks. You don't need to soak it, and also it's great for allergy sufferers. So for those of you with nut allergies, seed milk is perfect, because, you know, people with nut allergies can drink this as well. It's got really nice creaminess. I would say I still prefer the roasted sunflower seed milk, just a tad, but this is really delicious milk as well. It might settle in the fridge after a little while, so you might need to shake it before drinking, but oh, this is beautiful. So now, and I'm not gonna even rinse this. Just gonna add the pumpkin seeds in here, and the same amount of water, about a pint and a half, or nearly 800 ml. So do that, and I'm gonna add a pinch of salt here as well, just a little pinch, and we're gonna blend for 2 minutes again, and we'll see how these turn out. So it's been 2 minutes. Let's check the pumpkin seed milk. It really smells like pumpkin seeds, and it looks pretty smooth. It's got like a slight green tinge, because my pumpkin seeds were really green, so it's got a slightly green tinge. So let me just, wow, That's an amazing looking milk. So I'm gonna pour this into the 1 litre container as well to store in the fridge. And you actually could soak the sunflower seeds or pumpkin seeds for even smoother consistency, because I can still see little tiny bits, or you could blend it for a little bit longer, or you could soak it for about a couple of hours, and that would produce even smoother milk. So let me just do a taste test of the pumpkin seed milk. Oh my goodness, this is so good. Out of the two, raw pumpkin seeds and raw sunflower seeds, I think I slightly prefer the pumpkin seeds. It's got like this amazing taste at the back of my mouth, like of some kind of pumpkin baked goods almost. Really yummy. And the sunflower milk is nice, but I think I prefer the roasted version for the sunflower seed. But this is, I think, my new favorite milk actually, the pumpkin seed one. It's so delicious. And as you can see, it kind of starts to settle a little bit. There's kind of froth at the top, and then milk settles underneath, so you can mix it up a little bit. And like I said, perhaps soaking it for, you know, at least an hour, it'll probably give you even smoother and better results, and it might not, you know, settle as much. But these are great, you know, you just shake it up and they're ready to, you know, have on your cereal, to use in baking, and anywhere else you would use milks, you know, plant-based milks. And they're obviously sunflower seed is much cheaper. Pumpkin seeds, you know, is a little bit more expensive, but it's still not as expensive as nuts like cashews or almonds would be. And it's great for nut milk, well, nut allergies, people that suffer with nut allergies. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and let me know which one of the two milks you will try, or maybe both of them, and let me know which one you preferred. If you're new here, welcome, and subscribe for more videos just like this on Wednesdays, and my meal prep for weight loss show on Sundays. And remember, food is fuel, so be mindful of what you put in the body. Until next time.